Okay, real quick, I'm not sure who needs to see this. This screw, this was in the way, it was up. And so I was lucky enough to be able to get it to turn using a needle nose plier. So if you're not familiar with these, it got in here with just enough twist to get it going, and then it loosened up, and now I can actually put this vise grips on it. And these are great if you can get them to bite. Like if there's enough room, you can adjust them. Let's see if I'm going the right way. You turn the wheel and the jaws, when they lock in, will get looser or tighter. And so you heard that click. So now all I need to do to pull out this screw that got stripped is just twist my vise grips. And so hopefully the one in the back, this is pretty loose, hopefully that one in the back isn't broken or anything. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. So I tried turning that screw by hand with just this little manual hand screwdriver. It didn't want to move, and so the best thing to do in my book is to put an impact driver on that and just try and back it out and get it to thread effectively before trying to twist it in. Okay, so here's what I figured out. The tip, the number 2 Phillips, was too big, and that's probably why the other screw got stripped out. So I have a number 1. I was able to use my rigid impact driver to back it out. I put some wax on the thread, so I wanted to show you this. I'm going to try and turn it in and see if I can get it to tighten up with just this hand screw and see if it will seat properly. So that's where I'm at right now. Okay, so I used the hand screw and it was too tight. It went down about the same distance as where it was, and then it just stopped. So I'm gonna have to get the drill, and I'm gonna have to open up that hole a little bit so that screw will actually seat. Okay, so there's a happy ending. I was able to use the original dresser screw from the back. I put one in there I got from just kind of a junk set of screws, and I think it's aluminum. It has a funny color, but it worked. Tons of wax all over the threads. I ended up using a little bit bigger bit. I was hesitant to go too big, but that got the job done. It didn't need very much, and so that is in there, and that rail is now set. It was actually full of white plastic from these weird rail bottoms. If you can see them, I can't really see. There you go. So I got that taken care of, and hopefully it won't be too many more weird things. I hope.